Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Susan here. I have another early birthday present from hubby dear. Kev bought me these. He got some and I was gaga over them. And it is Focus on USB Cable Products. It's a cable set, and what it is a magnificent thing. It's magnets. So the one adapter goes in your device, and the other just these are cables. Okay, you get two 6-foot 6-inch cables, two of the big long ones, and you get one that's 3 foot 3 inches. Weird, but okay. This one, this 3 foot 3, is going to go on my desk here, and all you do is whatever your device takes, whether it's USB-C, mini USB, or Lightning, you have little adapters here, okay? And you put them into your device, and they don't take up any space at all, hardly. They don't stick out, they're not in the way, but what they do is they're magnetic, and they attach to your USB cable by magnet. So you don't wear out your USB port by plugging in and unplugging. You simply plug one of these in and leave it there, and then when you need to charge, it's a magnetic. Done. I have a lot of things to plug in. I have my iPhone 12 Pro. I have my Apple iPad 7th gen. And I now have an Amazon Kindle e-reader HD8, Fire HD8, and it takes a C port. So I have all of those adapters right here. There's 3 of each. So you get 3 C, 3 Lightning, and 3 of the mini USB. Now I don't have any mini USB stuff to use on, but I will have the adapters here should I ever get one. So there we go. Okay, that's a C. And that's a C. You can tell because they're just, it's a slot with a rounded on both ends. And this is a type, this is a lightning. Whoops. They want to clump together, which is handy in a way. There's another C. And this is this is a mini USB. That's my other Lightning, and 2 mini USBs. So there we go. We have 3 of each. So on my phone, say, okay, it takes a Lightning. So all I do is plug in the Lightning port like so, and I'll get it up close so you can see it. See that? It barely sticks out at all. It's not in the way, and it's going to magnetically connect. And what Kevin said, he's already tested these. This does work with continuity cameras, so it will transfer not only the power but the data. So that's a bonus, because I do use mine as a continuity camera, like a webcam, right? So anyway, that's one thing. And then I have, as I said, my Kindle. I have that. It's a Type C port. So I'll take one of the Type C's and I'll plug it in. And the bonus is, no matter what I need to charge, the cable, like this is the 3-foot 3-inch one, it will magnetically connect to whatever I plug into it. So I need the adapter in the actual device, and then I don't have to worry about having a specific cable for a specific device. I can use this magnetic cable and it'll attach to whether it's a lightning one for my continuity camera, or whether it's for the Kindle. There we go. So here's the example. My Kindle is still charging, and it clicks on. And there's a little green light on the top here that shows that the power is going through, and it's charging. So I can plug this in. By the same token, I can take my phone and plug it in, and it's charging. So this is wonderful. This solves the problems with having a specific cable, because the actual thing is on the device itself, and then the cable itself will transfer power and data with whatever you plug it into magnetically. So anyway, I got a set of those. There's 3 of each. There's 3 of each on the adapters end, and there are the 3 cables. So I am not lacking for things to plug in now. I need one for my tablet and I'm good to go. These can remain in the sealed little pouch, and I have a cable for by my bed, and I have a cable for by my recliner. So I have power wherever I need power. This is such a great invention that it's stymieing. Like, I'm just like, wow, this is neat. This is high techie. So anyway, that I just wanted to share that with you. These can be found on Amazon. I'll endeavor to get the link from Kevy to put it in the description box below if you're interested in checking one out for yourself, a set. It is very reasonable priced. It's in the 20-something area, and it's even cheaper if you've got Prime because you don't pay shipping. But yeah, I'm amazed at this stuff. This is new age stuff. I love it. Anyway, that's all I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching so much, and if you found any value in this, please give it a little like, a thumbs up if you would. If you didn't like it, thumbs down, of course. It just helps me know what kind of videos you want me to make. And I'm going to try and get back to making a lot more videos. Thank you very much again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.